Why do I keep talking about this? Life is short. Please remember this. Happiness should not depend on things or people or situations outside you. Kung yan ang definition of happiness, you will never be happy hanggang mamatay ka na. And you keep blaming kasi sila ganito, kasi wala sila, hindi ako naintindihan, kasi kulang ang pera, kasi wala pong katapusan yan. In the meantime, you lived a miserable life. When in fact, you could have just said, Lord, I accept you, I love you, I trust in you, I accept everything. I'm already happy. I'm happy even if I am in pain. I'm happy even if I don't have money. I'm happy even if people are hurting me and people are rejecting me. I